3366 West 94th. This is a brand new studio that we just completed. It's all remodeled and ready for the rental market. Plenty of plugs and switches. Plugs in here, switches, a brand new kitchen. All brand new luxury vinyl flooring. Large area. Bathroom is right here too. Separate sinks. Brand new shower. Everything's brand new in this one. And you got a laundry room here. So it's all finished. Heater. Everything's good. Here's your washer and dryer hookup. This is a big spot, big area. So if you're wanting to be in a studio in central Cleveland, this is your studio. Thanks. Hope you have a great day, but this won't last long. Thanks.